Your time is valuable. We know this. That's why it's important to us to help you during your daily commute. So you can plan better, make your own choices, and save time. How? With the help of someone collecting real-time information about your trip from several sources at once. Someone who even can predict the near future. Someone called Pia. Pia is your personal travel assistant on all train rides in Sweden. She predicts your travel time and suggests new ways when something unexpected happens. She also shows you where the train you are waiting for is right now. With Pia, you'll soon be able to know even things like how crowded your train is, if a toilet is broken, anything and everything to improve your travel experience. Introducing Pia by Transdev.